within settings, I'm going to go into the accessibility and switch control and go into switches and add a new switch. I'm going to say external. I'm going to touch my switch. I'm going to call it the red one. Save. And I'm going to tell it to, I can have it select, I can have it scan, I can have it do all these things. I'm going to have it select an item. And then I'm going to go back and in my recipes, I'm going to launch to turn a page. So now I have set my red switch to select, and my recipe is turn a page. So now when I go into a book, when I hit my switch, it will turn the page.
No! Why?
I could also go in and set my recipe to tap the middle of the screen. So launch a tap the middle of the screen recipe. And when I'm in an application that requires me to touch the center of a screen, the same switch will also work. Have fun.